remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
And the producer!
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Yay! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Gretchen, it's like vomit! Like, people don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready! Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back? Yay! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting! The Bumble,
Yeah, the bubble.
the Santa, and the Bugle, and the
elf hats.
Elf Hats, and the Crumb Boss.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss.
What do they all have in common?
I don't know. We're all sweet and tasty and delicious.
Yes, cute. All right, so this is a cup of elf hats. So, ladies and gentlemen, this year, instead of making Santa, little kids out there, you know, the traditional, I'm going to bake some cookies and Santa's going to eat them, we got wind from the North Pole because of Steph's connections.
We got wind all right.
We got wind all right. That Steph, the producer, got a letter from Santa saying that I want to try these new bugle things and elf hats.
Yeah.
Because I have all my elf. Sorry, I had to do it.
Elf hats. I think that it's a real cute idea for your, you know, you guys have holiday parties, you have an open house, all your friends and family come over and you have all these little dips and snacks and little snack trays laying around, right? So
Yeah, but I just told all the little kids to leave it out on Santa Claus.
and also do that, but I'm thinking more for all you adults who are having your parties to have a new, cool, different thing to offer your guests.
Yes.
And you wouldn't automatically think, like, how weird, bugles? Like, what is a bugle anyway?
Well, in my country, we don't
that a
have.
corn chip?
They're not called bugles in my country.
What the heck
In
is
my
that?
country,
It's like a Frito.
we call them Fritos.
It's like a Frito, so it's a bugle.
It's a
like
bugle.
a puffed corn thing.
All right, stop eating.
Yeah, they're good.
They are good.
Anyway, you wouldn't think that, like, M&M's and bugles
Tastes good though.
tasted. Did you eat one?
Well, Gretchen, why do you think I had to fill up and fake the bowl? No, I'm kidding. No.
So anyway, guys, you need some M&M's, as I show here, and you need your bugles. You need some melted white chocolate.
Yeah. All right. So move all this stuff now.
Okay. Hey, you're breaking my bugles.
Look at all these M&Ms.
Yeah, well, we're building
My nail
gingerbread.
polish looks like them.
All right, so you need some melted white chocolate.
That's my new manicure. Okay, go back. All right. Melted white chocolate. You're gonna put it inside a paper cone.
Yes.
Please watch that video on how to make a paper cone.
Did we do that?
I did it.
No, you didn't.
I can't see. Your hand's in the way. Use
Fill
your
up
right
your
hand.
paper cone.
Fill up your paper cone.
I'm just using a paper cone because I find that it's this is small, delicate work we're doing here. My
As you
scissors.
slam us. Oh my gosh. Do that again.
This is small, delicate work we're doing here.
Yeah, exactly. Throw the knife. Yep.
I don't know where my scissor is, so I'm using that.
Okay.
All right. So, you just basically what we're doing here.
Yes.
What are we doing here?
You're making a bugle.
You're gonna fill it. And then you stick your little M&M in there, and it looks like an elf's little head wearing a hat.
An elf's hat. Oh yeah, it does.
Hey, Santa, my hat's upside down.
Oh, don't worry about it. Just get back to work and make those presents for all those kids.
Man, Santa's a slave driver.
Yeah, he's from China. Oops.
God, you can't use this now. That's a joke, everyone. Let's have a sense of humor.
They don't get YouTube in China. They don't get Facebook
They
either.
probably don't.
No, they don't. It's against the law.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. I'm going to get yelled at. I'm going to get yelled at. Remember? I ruined the whole video.
Keep your stereotypical comments to yourself, would you please?
North Pole. Go ahead.
Santa didn't really say that.
No, Santa didn't say it. Come on, Blitzen. Come on, Dixon. Come on, Rudolph.
It was not a reindeer.
Okay, name the Rudolph. I mean, name the reindeer, Crumb Boss.
It's not Dixon.
It's Dixon and Blitzen and Comet and Cupid and Donner. Wait, there was Look at your eyes are bloodshot. You can't stop laughing at this video. Gretchen, you're crying.
You said Dixon.
Dixon, yeah, Dixon, right? Wait a minute. Come on, Elf Hats has turned into Elf Meltdown. Why are you laughing? Why? Because
That's turned into Cum Pum video.
Go, yeah. Wait. What's that's Eggnog Cake Pops.
There was Comet and Cupid and Donner and Dixon.
Nixon.
Yeah.
What's his name? Blitzen.
I am not a criminal.
Yes, you were, you big jerk.
We gotta go, everybody.
No, get back to the Elf Hats. This is a good video. Come on, get back. Come on, get back to the Elf Hats. Wait, what's the name of the reindeer? Donner. There was Donner and Dasher and Comet and Cupid. Cupid and Dixon, right?
Yeah.
It's Cupid and Stupid. Now there's a video called It's a reindeer called Stupid. You and your elf hats. And your bugles and your M&M'S. You know?
Yeah, this is how easy it is, guys. How to make these things.
Yeah.
You just fill up your bugles with some white chocolate.
And you got a bunch of elf hats.
M&M in there.
Oh.
An M&M.
M&M. Wait, what? Go ahead, sing the song for the reindeer, Gretchen.
I feel like there's tears all over my face.
No, there's not. Wait, hold on, ready?
What's the song?
What's the song?
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Okay, no, that's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
There was Comet and Cupid
And Donner and Dixon.
Blitzen!
Oh, Blitzen.
Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen.
But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all?
Dixon the Red-Nosed Bye, everybody.
His name is no. His
She doesn't want to go.
No, because this is a good video. Now put your elf hats back in the top of the cup. You want to see what Gretchen did, everybody? She rigged the video. Go back.
They're not dried yet.
All right, look. See? She goes, I don't want to fill up the cup because it's going to take too long. So I'm going to take out all these. So she only made 10 of them.
Secrets of the Crumb Boss set.
Now look. There's your elf hats, Santa. Yeah, see you in China. Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at House TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.